I got hair from Mayven. Let's open it and see what it's talking about. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and today we're doing a nice little unboxing. I haven't unboxed some hair in quite some time, but we got some new hair from Mayven, so let's unbox it together. But before we do that, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, so I got some hair from Mayven. This is how it came. We did not get like a cute box or anything like that, because y'all know I'm a D hair girl and we get boxes. But anyways, it came like this. I got the Malaysian body wave, and I got a 20. I want to say this is going to be 18 and 22. A card. It says scan for Mayven Hair Care guide. So that's that. And then you just get the packing slip. And I got a Malaysian body wave 18, 20, and 22. This is the 22. Why they got the sticker? The sticker is stopping me from getting it out. I'm feeling the weight of it makes me feel like I should have got 4 bundles. Alright, so this is what our weft is looking like. This is the 22. Okay. Oh, let's take it out the net. Where is the hole at? Oh, right here. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. I'm not mad at it. Is this smell test? Cause you know. Although I wash my hair before I put it in anyway, but it's giving. I had to sniff it a while, but after a while, it is giving a little bit of baby doll hair, which is to be expected, but it's not a strong, like, oh my god scent. Like, I think once you, like, if you were one of the people who did it and washed their hair before they installed it, and you just went straight back to hair, you'd be all right. Because I feel like the heating tools and products that you put on your hair, this is really, really soft though. Is it gonna match my hair? Is my hair darker? Because I just got a 1B per use. I think I'm gonna be good. It's really soft. Let's do the pull through test to see if anything comes off. We got one strand, one little baby strand. It's not nothing too bad. Yeah, just the one strand. That's a 22. Let's get the measuring tape. So the prices are $84.99 for the 18-inch, $89.99 for the 20, and $94.99 for 22. Those are the prices. Okay. Do the measuring tape test before I pull them all out. Okay. Here we go. I know it's still wrapped up, so we're gonna give it a little, give because it's still wrapped up. All right, let's pull her out straight. and she comes down to about 21. Yeah, because we passed 20. My finger is on 21. So I guess when we unwrap it, it will be 22. So shout out to Mayven. All right, let's get the rest of these out to see how thick we looking. Because that's really my concern. I don't want no thin sewing now. It really doesn't have a, some hair, you unwrap it, it has a very strong smell. This does not. Here is the 20. Still pretty cute. This one is, I want to say, a little bit thicker than the 22, but we all know that as you go higher in the length, the thinner the bundle. So this gives me a little bit more. Yeah, you can see that this one is a little bit thicker than this one. Yeah. So we might be good. Let me do the 18. Because this 18 do got a little weight, more weight on it than the other two. Okay, so here's the 18. Yeah. A shout out to Mayven. I'm fucking with it. I'm giant fucking with this. Even though this one look a little, yeah, okay. So 18, 20, 22. The 18 is definitely giving thickness. So I might be good with, yeah, look at the weft on the 18. Yeah. So we might be good. But here's all three. Um yeah, this is nice. It's really soft. I didn't feel any like shedding. I'm coming through all three now. All three. Not much. Maybe like a one or two single strands. I mean, and I get that with my real hair, so I'm not tripping. But doesn't smell bad. Doesn't shed bad. The wefts are pretty thick compared to, depending on how high you go, obviously. So I'm not complaining about that. It's thick. This is a thick mama. The curl pattern, cute. It's a two thumbs up for me. Two thumbs up for me. I might do a short on what they look like when I wash them. So look out for that. When I wash them, I'll do a short because there's no point in doing a whole long form video for the anyway. So this is Mayven Hair. Bought with my own money because I feel like we are now in a day and age that we have to say that. Unfortunately, bought with my own money. The 18 was $84.99. The 20 was $89.99, and the 22 was $94.99. Now, don't quote me if those are not the right prices online because I feel like I got them during Labor Day. There might have been a sale, but that's how much I paid for them. Okay. This is cute, girls. Let me know if y'all using Mayven Hair and if it worked out for y'all. I got the Malaysian Body Wave. That's what I got. Malaysian Body Wave 18, 20, 22. Let me know in the comments if y'all used this before and how it worked out for y'all. Peace.